Hello and welcome to this new Nalios video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can split the bill in your restaurant. So first, I'm going to open the point of sale application and open my restaurant. And I will make an order. For instance, here on table 3, I have 3 persons. They have ordered the bacon burger, cheeseburger, and the pizza margherita. And I can send this to the kitchen. Once everything is finished, we can proceed to the payment. So if you want to split the bill, you can click on the 3 dots and click on split. Here you can select the item that will be paid together. For instance, the 2 burger will be paid together. So I can select both items and click on payment. Here I will have only the 2 burgers, so 32 euro that will be paid. I can choose the payment method that I want. For instance, here the cash, and I can validate the payment. Once it is done, I have only one remaining item that needs to be paid, so I need to select the pizza margherita and I can proceed to the final payment. This time I'm going to pay this item by card, so I select card and I click on validate. I hope that this video was clear. Don't hesitate to like the video and to leave us a comment. Have a nice day.